Hi everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw these cute ice creams. I'm starting off by drawing a triangle shape for the cone, but I'm making the bottom of the triangle curve. I'm now drawing a kind of flattened circle for the first ball of ice cream, but I'm kind of making the edges kind of bumpy. I'm drawing a semicircle on top for the cherry and its stalk. I'm drawing two big circles for the eyes, and in each of these circles I'm going to be drawing one big circle and one little circle. Adding eyelashes, eyebrows and a smile, and then repeating it for the top ball of ice cream. Some crisscrosses on the cone for some texture, and then we're going to start black lining. So I've got a black fine liner and I'm starting by outlining one of the eyes. So I'm going over the pencil lines that we drew and then colouring it in with black Sharpie, leaving the two circles white. Pause the video now and go and blackline over all the pencil lines and then rub out any of the pencil lines that are still left underneath. I've got a red Sharpie and I'm colouring in the cherry on top. Turquoise colour to colour the first ball of ice cream, a light purple to colour the second ball of ice cream, and then I'm going to colour the cone in brown. Sharpie to start shading, and I'm shading on the left side of the turquoise ball of ice cream. I'm using a dark purple to shade the purple ball. The dark brown to shade on the cone, and I'm also going to be shading the kind of cross hatching that we drew. a white pen to start adding highlights. So I'm adding some small lines on the opposite side that we've shaded, so in this case on the right side. There's the finished ice cream. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye!